Home Remedies presents Super Easy 2-ingredient serum for spotless, glowing skin. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I'm going to share with you an amazing remedy that can remove all spots from your skin and your skin will look brighter, glowy and shiny instantly. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. You will need only 2 ingredients in this remedy readily available at home. So you can try this out immediately after watching the video. Ingredients: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix the 2 ingredients in a bowl and your golden serum is ready to use. Apply the serum on your face and massage for 3 to 4 minutes. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash it off with plain water. Do not use soap after that. This can be done once in every 15 days. You will be surprised after first use. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.